everybody got the news that Parvati is born. Parvati means daughter of Parvat. Now Narad ji came, getting the news. He was welcomed by the father, and he said, "Wow, what a daughter you have got." He said, "Please tell the good and bad points of my daughter." Acha, Naam Uma Ambika Bhavani. All beauties she will have. She is the abode of all inner beauties. She will have patience. She will have quietude. She will have love. She will have appreciation. She will be sensitive. She will be extremely loved by her husband. Who is telling to whom? Narad ji is telling to Himavan ji, father of Parvati ji. Sada achal ehikar ahivata. Her ahivata means her Sindhur will be ever red. And most importantly, ehite jas pahi pitumata, father and mother will get great fame because of her. Aur suno, hoyi puj sakal jagmahi, she will become worth worshipping. Who? Parvati ji. And those who will worship her, they will get everything. Everything is excellent about her. Himavan ji said everything is okay. What is the negative quality? Well, very few are there. No, tell what is there. Few are there. About the husband I have to tell. That is little ticklish area. Agun, he has no quality. Aman, having no respect. Matupati Huna, he will have no father or mother. Parvatiji's mother started crying. Udasin, totally indifferent. Sab sanse hina, no doubts he will have. Jogi, he will have a jogi, like a yogi is there. Jatil, he will have big jata. Arey baapri, kaun hai bhai? Akam, no desire. But while he is getting married, he has no desire. Aur man nagan, he has no clothes also. Clothes also is not there. Aur a mangal vesh, he will have the skull, he will put the mala of skull. Parvati's mother, jo rona shuru kiya. Well, this is some of the negative part. Parvati also cried. Mother also cried. But Parvati ji cried because she remembered who he was being talked of. And her wish was fulfilled. Her mother cried because she thought the mad person. Acha, now come back. Agun, he has no quality. Bhagwan, Shivji has any qualities beyond Satyagun, Rajogun, Tamagun. Aman. Aman means who doesn't want respect. Respect is of whom? Body, mind, or of the Atma? Man means measurement. Who cannot be measured? Father and mother. Who is no father and mother? Who is Shivji's father and mother? Father and mother are required when there is a birth. One who was unborn, how can he have father and mother? Indifferent. One who sees there is no essence, why he will have involvement? He has no doubt. He is yogi. Here he is Yogeshwar. Jatil, he has jata, showing dispassion. Akam, he has no desire. Why? One who has all joy in himself, why will he have desire? Nagan means no clothes. Clothes are either to cover our body because of weather or to show something to others. But who does not see the world as real, why will he want? You don't want anybody to praise from your dream. Why will he have any desire for any praise? And he has no fault. He doesn't feel cold and hot because he is one with the Prakriti. So he has no clothes. He is Digambar Vesh. In Kailash, Amangal Vesh, he is putting the skulls. What is Amangal? What is inauspicious? There is nothing called inauspicious. Inauspiciousness is something which will go wrong and in dharma, etc. But he is on the very nature of auspiciousness. His ornament is the skull. That means the ahankar of all the people is his ornament. Are you seeing Shivji? Shivji's form is very meditative.